Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In this tutorial, we're going to be recreating GIGI Hadid makeup look, the one that I actually kind of picked from her Instagram. I love the combination of colors. Everything is so pretty. It's toned down, but I love the burst of colors in the inner corner. So if you want to try to recreate this makeup look, or if you want to give it a try in your nearest future, then please keep on watching. And don't forget that summer is almost over, so when, if it's not now, to try play with different shades, different colors. Let's get right into business. Today I'm going to be doing my video with some voiceovers, so relax and let's get started.
Okay, first things first, sunscreen protector over my face. This is important, but I cannot tell you the brand name because I have no idea. I just bought it in the local supermarket. The next step is Essence Prime Plus Pore Minimizing Primer with clay. I love it. I've been using this for such a long period of time that I can't even tell you, but I kind of love the overall result. Then I'm going to my Pro Base MUA Makeup Academy foundation. The shade is perfect, the formula is perfect. I kind of like this product, and as a base, this is my all-time favorite. First, blending. Keep up, guys. I'm using L.A.Girl HD Pro.concealer. This one is a little bit light, but still, it works really good. I love the overall result, exactly for GIGI Hadid makeup look. Blending out, everything is kind of simple. As for powder, I picked Makeup Revolution translucent powder. And then as for setting spray, I went for Makeup Revolution as well to fix everything in place. But unfortunately, it's not my way of coping with things. So I used my beauty blender to press setting spray against my skin instead of waiting this drying out completely. Have you seen her blush? It's perfect, and I want to have pretty much the same over my face. That's why I want to pick this pretty pinkish shade from my BH Neutral palette. If I'm not mistaken, all the links are going to be down below in the description box. Then I'm just blending, applying, stamping, and that's kind of it. A little bit on my nose as well. And then it's time to apply a little bit of highlighter. I haven't seen her using a highlighter, but I still can't skip this step. Okay, now it's time to do my brows. Her brows are gorgeous, but I don't have brows at all. That's why I have to do something a little bit similar. I'm more than sure that she's got soapy brows. I tried to do pretty much the same, and I used my brush to outline my brows, then fill them in and cover them with some soap once again to make sure that everything's spread evenly. Back to the same setting spray because we have a lot of powders over my foundation. That's why we need a little bit more of it. To the lids, I'm using NYX Proof IT Eye Primer whatsoever. This one is my ultimate favorite. I apply this over my lids and then go into this really pretty sort of like grayish and velvety shade. I don't have to be super precise. A little bit in the inner corner, then go into the outer corner, and everything should be well blended. Next, the shades are going to be a little bit darker, so we're going to apply them in the outer third of the lid. They're going to give us a little bit of this dimension that she's got on her photo. Going back to the first shade to blend and smooth out every single harshness, and then applying the same shade underneath my eyes. To my Beauty Bay Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette, and I think this is the best one. These two shades that I'm showing you on camera right now are going to be the base. I'm applying little by little with the help of the brush over the inner corner. A little bit later, I realized that these shades are not pigmented enough, so I used the wet brush to make sure that my colors are going to be a little bit more pigmented. And of course, last but not least step is mascara. This one is from Essence as well. I'm applying this over my lashes. To the lips. I have to admit her lips are so plump and pretty, but we have something to work with as well. I outlined my lips with this brown lip liner. Then I added a NYX liquid lipstick color beige, and the final touch is from Makeup Revolution color Latte.
Okay guys, and that is the final result. I'm gonna tell you that I love the simplicity of this makeup look. You don't really have to be super good at makeup. You don't have to know how to blend, how to combine. Just a few hours, like teeny there, and a little bit of this orangey kind of like boom over your inner corner, and that's kind of like it. I hope you like this video. I hope you're gonna give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.